Hello YouTube friends, I got my new phone. It's a Galaxy S7 and I'm not really worried about the phone today. I might show them in another video what it looked like and everything. But this little thing right here, this little jewel, I'm going to be replacing it. Well, I dropped the little thing that goes right inside there, down inside the door by accident. But anyway, you could push this and still open the door when it's locked. So I guess the mechanism is gone out. It's wore out. So I'm going to be going Camping World, get me another one that works, and replacing it. I'm back. I got the replacement part for it, and just like the old one. And I think everything's in it. I got the old one still in here too, so that's the thing I dropped. I don't think it's made out of some kind of zinc. So I'm going to install it. Okay. See how that works. Okay. Hopefully I don't drop this down inside there, the spring. I'll try to feed it. Let me get back with y'all. I'm back again, trying to figure this out. And don't have a good spring to it. Let's see here. Let's try. Came with new screws and everything. I could probably use one of those screws for right now. Shit, come on. Well, you see what I'm trying to do. Trying to thread it like thread a needle. Got one started. Okay, I'll see if it works. Test it out. Works. I guess the new screws fell off in the bag. Okay, these little things are handy. Okay. See, the screws fell off in the bag and I'm having to fumble around for the screws. So that ain't no big deal. Take the old screw out because I want new, not old. Here I go again. Few screws. Okay. Seems like everything's tight. Locks. Works. Well, y'all get the idea. And let's check it out. See if it works. Well, raise the tripod up. I didn't have to you know, use this. I was going to put it right here, and I got to thinking. I'll show you. You see where my hand is? You only can get 2 screws in, which I wasn't going to use screws. I was going to use rivets. I could still do it that way, but I decided not to. Rivets going to wear out in time. With this, just replacing the mechanism. That was just a simple fix, and I didn't have to drill no holes into the metal. Well, the Galaxy S7. Okay. Just nice phone. Okay. See? I'll put a case on it. Because the back of it's glass. This originally belonged to my son. Well, I got him another phone on my contract, and he said, well, I won't sell that. I said, no, we ain't. I'm going to use it. I ain't had it upgraded in almost 4 years, since 2012. So, I'm using it. So that's it of that. So, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Give me a thumbs up on this video. See how, tell me how I did and everything. And have a good day. Thanks for watching.
I know it's fucking loud. There'll be a game warden down here in a minute. Wondering who the hell's firing off tank rounds.